Okay, so this is how boomers rotate tires when you rotate them yourself. Now when you rotate them yourself, you're not getting a balancing. But I'm not going in to a COVID contaminated place to get a balance and rotation. My tires are in good shape. I'm just doing this because I'm bored. First off, you must have your impact wrench. This is a boomer's impact wrench. You need your lock out of the toolbox in the back. If you put your front gearing in four-wheel drive, you don't need to keep it down. I've got my jacks underneath the back and the front, and we're just going to loosen this up the old-fashioned way. Impact wrench. That's right. Most of y'all, this is how your grandfather did it for sure. And I don't think many of you guys have fathers that did their own wrenching on their cars. But if they did, this is what they used. That's why they're going to outlive you. Now once you got everything on the loosened, loosey-loosey, then you can lift the rest of it up off of the ground. And just for safety measures, put a jack stand somewhere's underneath there, because two things. Murphy's Law. What does that say? That says, if it can happen, it will. And the other thing is never assume. That kind of explains itself for you. Never assume. Now, if you want to put it on high speed, you do this. It'll take off the nuts real quick. And you're off. Don't forget your lock. The Toyota lock. How many of y'all know if that lock is different for other people's cars and trucks? I don't know that. I mean, are they all the same? Are there 20 of them? Are there 100 of them? How many thousands of locks can there be? Alright man, stay tuned. Somewhere's in the video, I'm going to give something away. Okay, this is the tire from the front. Well, while I'm in here, let's take a look-see. And I can't see shit. You know why? I'm a boomer. And even with my cheaters, I can't see shit. So, it's a Toyota. It's fine. Nothing wrong with it. Doesn't need anything. Okay. Now let's put it all back together. Now you want to start it out on slow to get the thread started. Slow. That's lock. Thread started slow. Once you got 3 of them in, you can go fast. Okay, now, next thing you want to do is you want to get a good tight on all 6 of them. And cross rotate them back and forth, far side to the close side. Now it's time to torque them. So you want to get a torque wrench. Here is a Boomer's torque wrench. That's right, man. Don't overthink it. Which one did I do? I'm a Boomer, so I forgot. I got a good memory, but it's short. There we go. That's got to be like 1,900 foot-pounds of torque, at least. And then the lock. Same thing. I get some leverage. Boom. Okay. Now you can go all the way around with a short-term memory in rotation. Clockwise, of course. Is that thing loose? Did I never even get that one? Are we not even in the lug? What's going on here? Oh, that's the lock. McFly. There we go. I wasn't even in the lock thing. Okay, they're all tight. Oh, back to what I was saying. The Porsche manual calls it good and tight. Now, if you saw from my previous video, and if you didn't, there's a link up there right now when I put the spacers on. And you know what? They look good. Okay, I can see one brake pad. I can see the other. They look brand new for having 60,000 miles, 68. What do I got? A bunch of miles. Okay, so I'm still in 2-wheel drive, so this tire is freewheeling. So I need to let a little bit of juice out of the jack here to get the tire onto the ground, so I get some resistance. Now, let's get our torque wrench. Okay, we got the torque wrench. Make sure they're all, I like to go around and just make sure they're arm tight first before I really put the hurt on it. Not that it hurts me because I'm... Okay, torque wrench. That's that one that's all stripped out, I think. Yeah. So we'll come back with, I think it's this one. No, this one. Get a little bit more extra. All right, so we're good. Now, do not procrastinate. Put this back now. Don't leave it on your bench and get on the road and need it. Let's get our jack stand. It's for safety. Safety first, people. Lower this down. And let's lower the back. Now that we're done, you always want to double check your work. Check your tire pressure and go for a test ride, right? So let's check the tire pressure like a boomer would do. Oh, that's good. That might be low, about a pound, but that's okay. All right, so if y'all thought I was serious about a test ride, have a little self-confidence in your working abilities and your tools, and the next time you drive this is your test ride. Don't overthink this shit. All right, man. Boomers, comments, thumbs up. Millennials, give me a thumbs down. Let it be a war of wars. It's all good. All right, man. See ya. Okay, for those of y'all who watched the video all the way through, thank you. For those of y'all that were smart enough to skip all the way to the end to find the giveaway, either way, here it is. All right, let's keep this simple and not overhype this. Mark made a comment on one of my videos about a giveaway. And I'm thinking, oh yeah, I do have something that I bought 2 of I could give away. So here's the deal. To enter this giveaway, you've got to leave a comment and somehow or another put winner, W-I-N-N-E-R, not winter, in the comments to be entered. I'm gonna only put giveaways one place, either in the title or the description. I haven't figured that out yet. I don't even know what video I'm gonna give this away on, but it ain't much, man. But what it is, it's a slow as fuck decal. I've got one on the back, upper left of my back window. If you got the black windows with black letters, it kind of hides pretty well until it gets dirty. But anyways, that's it. Good luck.